Hi guys, this is Liz Brown, your accounting professor for Accounting 2301 with Richland College. I wanted to go over a couple of things as is week 1 and we are new to the online accounting course. So these are some things that will help you succeed in this class. So first off, please read the book. So please be keeping up with the reading. So this is chapter 1 in week 1, so please be sure that you read the chapter. Also, you can review the PowerPoint slides. These are located under the Tutoring Resources tab in eCampus. Let's go there together now. So I'm clicking into eCampus here. So here you're seeing some things that you have like the syllabus and the discussion board. I'm going to head into Tutoring Resources. All right, once this pulls up, I'm going to come down here and I'm going to go into Presentation Slides. Once I click on that, you're going to see the presentation slides for each of the chapters. All right, also take a look at any of the McGraw-Hill videos provided. Those are going to include the interactive illustrations and the Let's Review, and any instructor-created information, such as this video and any of the emails that I'm sending or the discussion board. That leads us into item 4. Please ask any questions on the discussion board. So as we've talked about in the class and you've seen in the syllabus, we have 2 ways of communicating. So the discussion board is where any classwork related questions should go. I want to make sure if there's a question about homework or the chapter or any of our topics we're discussing, that it's in this forum so that all students can learn from the answers. If you have the question, most likely other students in the class have a question too. Any questions that are personal, such as a grading question or anything that shouldn't go in a public forum, those are when you should email me. So anything that's classwork related, please put it on the discussion board and I will answer those. Once you've done this and are comfortable with the material, please do the practice and the homework. Those are on eCampus and you get unlimited tries. Please be sure to use or to know about the Check My Work feature. So it's pretty helpful as you work through the class, maybe not so much in week 1, but when you're in the later chapters, when you're doing a long problem, you can hit that Check My Work button and the system will tell you if there's a piece of your problem that is incorrect. So very helpful. Also, finally, after you've done the practice and homework, you can do the quizzes. You only get 2 tries on the quizzes. They are timed, so please make sure that you have time to complete the quiz when you sit down. So be sure that you have ample time and you're not going to have to jump up to head to work or be answering any phone calls, etc. So be sure you have reserved time to do the quizzes. Also, please note in Chapter 1 we will not focus on the cash flow statement. It is in the book, it's in the slides, but it is not going to be in the homework and quizzes. So that's another way to kind of gauge what we're discussing in this class. Is if it's not in the homework and quizzes, it won't be on the exam. Is the chart of accounts. I know this is pretty small. This is going to be in the very end of your book if you have a hard copy, or it is going to be something you can pull up as a resource in your electronic book. But this is a really helpful place to see some types of asset accounts, types of liabilities, stockholders' equities, revenues, and expenses. So especially as this is an intro class, some of you have never seen these before. So assets are resources, such as cash, land, buildings, and equipment. Liabilities are what we owe. A lot of these end in the word payable, right, or liability. Stockholders' equities, revenues, service revenues, and sales revenues. And all of the expenses or the costs of doing business, such as advertising expense, and interest expense, insurance expense, etc. Thank you guys and good luck on Chapter 1. Please let me know if you have any questions on the discussion board.